don't think it occurred either in the case. If there was a statement or request that it not be destroyed, then I would be vacating this order.
Court kicks off with a packed docket. Breysha Anderson's case gets adjourned, and right away we see a pattern forming. Multiple defendants, multiple delays, and shifting legal strategies. But don't be fooled. These early moves set the tone for everything that follows. Stick around and subscribe for more intense courtroom breakdowns.
Better than to July 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Breysha Anderson.
Your Honor. People.
Geraldine Foster Tucker on behalf of Breysha Anderson, who is appearing via Zoom.
Can you state your name, please?
Breysha Anderson.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I apologize. I was just recently appointed on this case, so we're just asking for a brief adjournment. I believe we will be able to get it resolved. So.
What's my date? 15. Adjourn this matter May 6, 2026, 9 a.m. We'll continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Jessica Mitchell. Oh, I'm sorry.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ms. Mitchell, can you state your name, please?
Jessica Mitchell.
Thank you.
Sir, today's the date and time set for pre-trial on this matter. At this time, we're requesting adjournment. We're referring her to our AIM division for some mitigation, so we would just ask for about a 3 to 4 week adjournment.
May 6th, you said?
Yes.
May 6th, 2026, 9 a.m. Great, ma'am. Thank you. Bond continued. Thank you, Ms. Mitchell. Court calls case People versus Jacob Dorston.
Township all for peace.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate, staff of Mr. Dorston, who's approaching. State your name for the record, sir.
Jacob John Dorston.
Thank you, Your Honor. I just discovered early this morning that Mr. Dorston was in custody. I was able to look in X jail that he is not being held on these matters, but he is currently being held on several cases out of the 15th, which I believe he's scheduled for court tomorrow on. Most of those the nature of those charges look like trespasses and things like that. So I'm not sure if he will be held on those past tomorrow. Ultimately, I am respectfully requesting a brief adjournment so that I can meet with Mr. Dorston and discuss not being held on these.
No objection to the adjournment, Your Honor. But I would like the court to address bond conditions.
Go ahead.
I guess that you not be allowed to go to any minor stores in the state of Michigan. 145 Ann Arbor Sling Road.
Okay.
Additionally, you should not go to any Starbucks stores. Specifically 3141 Ann Arbor.
Any response to that? Any response?
No objection to those requests for the no-go to, Your Honor.
Okay.
Apologize.
I will add those conditions. I'll adjourn these cases to April 15, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court recalls the case of Prince Rashad Logan Cannon.
Morning again, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Name?
Prince Rashawn Logan Cannon. No gum and no glasses.
Huh? No glasses this time.
No glasses.
Say I like your name.
Appreciate it.
What's my name?
Your Honor, I have had a motion. It's a little interesting here. On the motion, I believe the box is checked indicating charges in this case were dismissed by nullity prosecute. Just for the record, they were not dismissed by nullity. They were dismissed at FSC after people were unable to proceed.
Proceed. Got it.
I looked at the underlying statute 28.243, specifically subsection 8 and the subsections within that. 8B, I believe, is the pertinent language here that indicates if the prosecutor of the case agrees at any time after the case is dismissed, or if the prosecutor or the judge do not object within 60 days of the order of dismissal, then Michigan State Police or the law enforcement agency shall destroy the biometric data in the arrest record. I don't know if the prosecutor at the time, I'm guessing the answer is no, but I don't know if the prosecutor at the time of the dismissal made that objection. It has obviously been over 60 days. So statutorily, I don't think that I have a ground on which I can object to the order for dismissal. I would just note, obviously, we rely a lot on these domestic violence cases, specifically when a case is dismissed, to see that continuing pattern of alleged conduct. But I think the statute indicates that the biometric data has to be destroyed here because of our office's failure to object at the time of dismissal. And that's something that I'll be discussing with other APs in our office to see if we can get a policy or practice going that would address that concern.
Thank you for that. Okay. What I will do is I will order that the records be destroyed. Okay. I will just only indicate to you that the only thing that might change that, but I don't think it occurred either in the case. If there was a statement or request that it not be destroyed, then I would be vacating this order, and it would over. Yeah. Okay. Understood? Thank you, Your Honor. All right. Prince, you take it. I just wanted to always say that. Court calls the case, People versus Tyler Watts.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook.
Henry Sullivan, Township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate with and on behalf of Mr. Watts, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Tyler Watts.
Thank you, Your Honor. So Mr. Watts is not being held on these. He's being held on 2 felony cases. Long story short, these are both license cases. One, I believe, is correctly state, and one is correctly Pittsfield Township. I sent an email to my management regarding one of them about something that they need to confirm before proceeding. I'm respectfully requesting a brief adjournment, and Mr. Watts is not being held on these cases, and we will be back in front of Your Honor tomorrow. And I have been able to discuss all this with Mr. Watts, and he understands.
April 15th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court calls case, People versus Whitney Mitchell.
For the people.
Right here, the judge draws a line. After multiple adjournments, Whitney Mitchell gets a final extension. That's huge. Courts don't hand out endless chances. If she can't secure that specialty court placement, consequences could escalate fast. So what do you think? Fair warning or too much leeway given already in this case?
Assistant Public Defender Breysha on behalf of Mitchell.
Mitchell, can you unmute and state your name, please?
Whitney Mitchell.
Thank you. You're
You're
not
welcome.
driving.
No, I'm parked outside my job. I'm just in my
Okay.
car, so they can't hear me.
Okay.
Today is the date and time set for pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment. We're trying to get my client into the 34th District Sobriety Court.
How far along are we in that process, do we know? All right, here's what I'm going to do. Because this has been adjourned for a while, at least 4 times for sobriety court. So I'll adjourn it to May 6, 2026, 9 a.m. That's the last adjournment I'm going to give.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I have a question. How do I get in? Like, I'm just waiting for them to admit me.
Well,
I'll contact you and we'll go over what part of the process.
Yeah, talk to your attorneys about that, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Javon Webster.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Mr. Webster, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Javon Webster, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have talked to both Mr. Webster and the people regarding this. We are asking to set this for final settlement conference. Mr. Webster does have a PR bond on this case. To that end, we have no objection to the people's anticipated request to set it for the June date.
But for the June date?
Yes, Your Honor, if the court be willing to allow us to go out that far just to secure witnesses.
Jury final settlement conference will be set June 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, June 8th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Court, is that it for you, miss? Court calls case People versus Omar Muhammad.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Crossing will based on behalf of Omar Muhammad, who's affected by Zoom.
Mr. Muhammad, state your name, please.
Omar Muhammad, Your Honor.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Requesting a brief adjournment.
Of course you are. Getting good at that. What?
Yes, but if we get the you have a really.
Adjourn this matter to April 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Okay, Mr. Muhammad, bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls case People versus Sean Moyer.
Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Moyer should be present on Zoom. Sir, can you please let me state your name for the court?
Sean Moyer.
Thank you, Your Honor. So this case has a lot of discovery, I believe over 900 pages. So
That's not much.
depends. Well, for a misdemeanor case, maybe, I don't know. I guess it's all subjective. Sorry, didn't mean not go off the tangent. So we're ready for an adjournment, so we frankly need to finish reviewing it. And also, Mr. Moyer did request a discovery packet, and yesterday when that was being put together, something happened to our printers that we have. So someone is actually supposed to come out today to look at it. So long story short, I need to make sure that Mr. Moyer is able to get all his discovery given to him and also review it with him. So we're asking for a brief, or not that brief. I'd ask for.
I'm going to May 6th.
That sounds
all right.
Thank you very much, Ron.
Mr. Moyer, I'm
Thank you, Your Honor.
May 6th, 2026, 9 a.m. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Moyer, I will
Thank you.
definitely you when it's ready, and I'm sorry about that printer issue that it's not ready today.
No problem at all. Things happen.
No, I think she broke it. No, I'm kidding. All right, take care. Court calls People versus Russell Norvell.
Crossing will based on behalf of Russell Norvell, Your Honor, who is present by Zoom. Mr. Norvell, can you state your full name for the record?
Russell Norvell.
Thank you. Young lady, you throwing your arms up every time I call a case doesn't get your case called any sooner. So let's not do that. Thank you. What are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, you could probably guess what we're doing on this case. There is an outstanding video that we have not yet received.
Is it on its way?
I hope so.
Let me see here.
Excuse me. Is Ron Brown?
Yes.
Is he just out today?
Yes, I'm
Ron Brown.
That's correct.
Yeah, he's out today.
Okay. I thought I got switched.
I was unaware there's a missing video. The last note that I have regarding video issues, an issue that Mr. Brown is having with opening the video, but I thought he indicated last time that he figured that out, he was able to get it open and viewed. So I was unaware of any missing video.
My notes indicate as the 27th that Mr. Brown does not have the video. And
okay. But with Mr. Brown, that could mean that he has the video but can't open it. Okay. That's it. Mr. Norvell, you want to say something?
Yeah, could I ask, did the prosecutors, did they view the video? Do they have the same video that Ron can't see?
Well, they probably have it. And if you're saying Ron can't see it, let's do this. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Council work together to try to make sure that a copy that can be seen is provided to.
Understood.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Norvell.
Thank you, thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Gracious Phillips.
Your Honor, bring book for the people.
Oh, sorry.
It's right here. She wasn't throwing up her arms and her case wasn't called.
No. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Fate with and on behalf of Ms. Phillips, who stands to my right, please state your name for the record, ma'am. Gracious Phillips. Thank you, Your Honor. May Mr. Cook and I buried.
That name.
It is a beautiful name.
You know, it's like me in a nutshell. What do you think? Yeah, okay, good. Yes, you may first.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
During the matter of May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. On continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case. Divorce. I'll go.
Your Honor, bring book for the people.
Council Breysha on behalf of Anthony Rubago, Your Honor. Mr. Rubago, could you unmute, state your full name for the record?
Yeah.
As this session wraps, it's clear. Delays, missing evidence, and procedural moves shaped every outcome today. Some defendants bought time, others edged closer to trial, and uncertainty still lingers. That's the reality of court. Strategy meets consequence. If you found this breakdown insightful, like, comment, and subscribe for more courtroom drama.